Hi everyone, I am Michael, a digital avatar created by the Serbian Euroactive volunteers. And today I'll show how Canva AI can help youth workers prepare better workshops in less time. This video was recorded as part of the Erasmus Plus training course AI in Youth Work, organized by Positiva Samobor. This is what you need to do in order to prepare your workshop using Canva AI tools. The task was to make a plan for the workshop, and the chosen form was a presentation in Canva. The first step was to open Canva by clicking on Home Canva. After that, you go on Canva AI and give it the prompt, e.g. a presentation about sustainable development. After Canva gives you initial presentation, you can give another prompt to adjust the results. For example, more colors. When you have the presentation, it's time to edit. Select the text you want to change and click on Magic Write, then click on Custom Prompt. In Prompt Explain, what do you want to change? Your next step is Animation. Select element, then click on Animate, create an animation. Follow the instructions egg, hold Shift and move the element to specify the path. For last, click on Tools and add a sticker to your presentation to add something or for an announcement, e.g. the task for your participants. Try it yourself and enjoy making presentations.